from the back, watch a nigga bless you, bless you. If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is iPhone Nate back with the new video. Today I just got this new JBL speaker. This is the Link 10 with JBL brand, and this is the black. It costs original price $149.99. It does have a Google Assistant, guys. This does have Hey Google built in this speaker. That is pretty amazing. So JBL and Google are working together pretty much, so they do have Google Assistant. Trust me, it says on the back right there, it does have a Google and does have support with Google Pay, Pandora Premium, Google Chromecast, Samsung, and with a lot of app, and this is pretty good. So I'm going to unbox this JBL 10, guys. It's pretty good. It can support 2.4 hertz Wi-Fi support, and does have it says right there, it comes with the Google Home app. Yeah, it's pretty good, and it does have a IPX7 waterproof, so it is waterproof. This is pretty good, and it says now with Google Assistant. Pretty nice, so let's go and unbox this. All right, there you go. Comes with a pretty nice box. Let's see, what is this? All right, this is okay, USB charger. It's not type C. It comes with the Android charger. And what is this? I have no idea on this. So I think this is the guideline how to set up and how to use. Okay, this is the guideline. This is the Link 10. Okay, and this is the big package right there, guys. That's it. Pretty much that's all you get. We're gonna talk about this device now. Let me unbox this. Oh, pretty nice. Oh, JBL, and comes with the Google Play button right there. And pretty much this is the base where you keep it right there. So pretty nice. The quality is pretty damn nice. Does have a Wi-Fi support, and here's the power button and mute, and let's turn it on. Looks like there's no charge on this, so let me charge. So the charging port, it's on the back, so all you gotta do, just flip it, put the charger. It's not going. Okay, there you go. All right, now it's charging. Okay, it does have the blinking lights on the side once you power out, and it's ready to pair. So you have to get an app to pair this. There you go.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Okay, as I told you, you need to download the app and get ready for this bad boy, So let's set it up, and once I set it up, I'll be right back. So I got the Google Home, and once I download, and you have to set it up, and once you set it up, you will see the screen like this. So all right, so I'm ready to do what I gotta do. So I can literally say, hey Google, what's the weather in New York City right now?
Right now in New York City, it's 47 and cloudy. The forecast tonight is 47 and cloudy.
So it's pretty dope. So you can ask, hey Google, how far it's from Newark to California.
If you drive, California is 2,902 miles away from Newark.
So it's pretty dope. You can play around, and once you set it up, you know, and you can literally play music. Right now I do not have any premium, so I do not have any premium subscription with anybody, so I'm just gonna play some random song. You know, if you are like so lazy to type, you can literally say, okay Google, play a song by Michael Jackson.
That artist is only available for Google Play Music subscribers. But try this Google Play Music Michael Jackson station.
Okay, I do not have a premium, but it does play different random song, so it did. So it's pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe me. As always, I will catch you in next video, guys. Peace.